Hello, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Lego City passenger plane, which I have just recently built. It comes with all different vehicles. A food container vehicle that has a, say, turn the plane around, little hatchway, the little hatchway there anyway, it does open. For them to load the food in and out of the planes from the catering cart. It also comes with a cargo truck that takes all the luggage to board the plane, 2 workmen, this blue vehicle that connects to the front of the plane to pull it out, drives the plane out to where it's got to go before it drives up the runway to take off. A little shuttle bus to take the passengers from the the main airport terminal to the plane. And of course the plane itself with someone just about to board the plane there. As you can see, we also have the cockpit of pilot and co-pilot in. And on the inside of the plane we have some passengers. This one's dozed off to sleep. At the back, it's falling over, it keeps doing that. Here's the catering cart that tucks up here right next to the toilet. I enjoy doing this build, all of it, very proud of it. I really enjoyed it, especially the last bit, the plane. That was the best bit about this set that I enjoyed. The next thing for me to do is to place it all in the Lego room, which I will do after this video. So yes, I really enjoyed it. It's a really good build. And it comes with lots of nice pieces. Oh, and also we have the truck, the suitcases and that in there that go in the cargo hold. Here we have the cargo hold with some more cargo in it. There's some more cargo in it, a suitcase and a camera. with a long lens, and that just pops in here, which is the cargo area for the plane, and then that goes down like that. It was a really good build, I enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to displaying this in my Lego room. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, and yes, you can see my winter village in the background there, but that will be on another video. But I hope you all enjoyed this one, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.